Looking to elevate your recipes? Let's make some infused heavy cream, a versatile ingredient perfect for coffee, sauces, desserts, and much more. Start by pouring 2 cups of heavy cream into a small saucepan. Set your stovetop to low heat and gently warm the cream. Keep the temperature around 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid boiling. Now, add your decarb plant material directly into the warm cream. If you're not sure how to decarb plant material, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 45 minutes to an hour, stirring occasionally. Be sure to monitor the heat closely to prevent the cream from boiling or curdling. After the infusion is complete, remove the pan from heat and let it cool slightly. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer to separate the plant material from the cream. Gently squeeze the cheesecloth to extract every last drop. Pour your infused cream into a clean, airtight jar. Label it with the date and potency if known, and refrigerate immediately. Use within 1 week. And there you have it, infused heavy cream. Sweet or savory, this creamy infusion is the perfect way to add an elevated touch to your favorite recipes. Enjoy responsibly.